Punjab, the land of 5 rivers, a legacy of prosperity, valor, and vibrant culture. Punjab produces nearly 20% of India's wheat and 10% of its rice, feeding millions across the nation. The Golden Temple, visited by over 10 million people annually, is one of the most spiritually significant and beautifully crafted landmarks in the world. Amritsar's langar serves 1 lakh free meals daily, representing Punjab's spirit of selfless service and inclusivity. Punjab, home of the brave Sikh warriors, has contributed to over 60% of India's defense personnel, earning the state worldwide respect for its valor. Bhangra, the high-energy folk dance of Punjab, has become a global sensation, uniting people in celebration and joy across continents. Punjab is a leader in India's green energy revolution, with the state generating 20% of its energy from renewable sources like solar power. Punjab, where tradition, prosperity, and bravery converge. Discover Punjab's global legacy.